you have legacy equipment running in your data center right now? Here, at CloudCover, we believe legacies aren't born of metal and wires. They are not a nice way of saying outdated equipment. No, legacies are born of heat and battle. They were here while worlds won and lost in love, on sports fields, and on those tiny little games you play on your phone to relax before bed. They were here while seasons changed around them. Yes, they were here making your data center run, asking for little in return. Because we need to rethink our relationship when we talk about legacy hardware. Legacy hardware is not bad. Legacy hardware can be good. It can be very, very good indeed. It's time for a new legacy. Let us help you build yours at CloudCover. Safely extend the life of your legacy server, storage, and networking equipment. Use the platform to analyze and track all your maintenance assets and tickets. Cover your assets with CloudCover. Ask your reseller or learn more at cloudcover.it.